as a summer.
In China, they go to school
It is all year round, okay? And especially when somebody is teaching you something that they're not going to teach you in school. One thing I learned about school, it's almost like they're conditioning you to go into certain areas of life, okay? They're not going to teach you or train you to be that entrepreneur. Why? Because look at the bee colony. You got the queen bee, you got the worker bees. It's for a reason, people. They need laborers. They need people who's going to do exactly what they want them to do. I'll never forget, I went to, I had to go to the buildings department to do something. City workers, so conditioned, looking at the clock, looking at the time. And I'm like, what is going on? I'm here. My watch said 9 o'clock. T-Mobile said 9 o'clock. The man looked at 9:03, looked back at his colleagues, and they was like, okay, right, and then, you know, open it up. But that's how they are. It's like, it is very conditioned. Like, this is what we do. This is it. It's not in my job description. They're not training you, nor are they teaching you to think out the box, to go and do your own thing, to go and explore, to go and start your own company. Because if you don't do what they want you to do, then you will get fired.